Hello everyone. Do you miss us? Anyway, we will do our Tagalog challenge with my son Jairus. So Jairus is the first generation Filipino American. He was born in Los Angeles way back in 2003. And he's trying his best to learn Tagalog. So, okay. So Jairus is here. He's back from Canada after a month vacation. So Jairus, kumusta ka na?
Mabuti naman po. Mabuti naman po.
Kumusta naman ang bakasyon mo sa Canada? Okay lang?
Mabuti lang.
Okay. So, ano yung hawak mo? Kaninong yan?
Yung pusa.
Anong pangalan niya?
Papi.
Papi. Okay,
Parang paprika.
Okay.
Yung seasoning.
So, let's start. Do you want a sentence or just words?
Kahit ano, kahit ano.
Okay, so siguro sentence. When did you come back from Canada?
Kailan ka bumalik?
Yes, saan? Mula
sa ano?
Sa Canada. Okay, good. Okay, second sentence. So, miss your learning, man. So, you're really good in Tagalog now. Okay, second sentence. Is it raining now?
Uulan na ba?
Umuulan ba ngayon?
Umuulan na ba?
Umuulan ba ngayon?
Umuulan na ba?
Umuulan ba?
Umuulan ba ngayon?
Yes. Okay, good. Okay. Third sentence. When do you plan to visit Manila? When?
Kailan ka nagpaplano
na
na
bumisita
bumisita na sa Manila.
Okay.
Yeah. Wait, close the door. So the cat.
Okay, so maybe words, right? Okay, can you just pronounce it? Tasang kukutsaritan, tasa.
Tasang kukutsiritang tasa.
Okay, good. What about butika, bituka, butike?
Butika, bituka, butike.
Make it faster.
Butika, bituka, butike. Butika, bituka, butike. Butika, bituka, butike.
Okay. Mekaniko
ni Monica, ni Monica.
Mekaniko ni Monico ang minika ni Monica. Sige.
Say it again.
Okay.
Minekaniko ni Monica ang Monica makamaka.
No. Mekaniko ni Monico ang minika ni Monica. Mini.
Huh?
Say it again.
Wait, I forgot.
Yeah. Mekaniko ni Monico.
Yeah, minikaniko ni Monaco.
Ang minika.
Minikaniko ni Monaco ang makina ni Monica.
Okay, good. Okay, that's all for now. So if you have any suggestion or comments, just let us know. God bless you guys. Bye.